Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with the last part of this fourth lesson. But before getting started, I would like to have a glance over the previous video. In the previous video, we have learned that in Millie's dream, how Millie and Joy, they use a trick and made Pollution Demon to wear this chimney cap and also this dustbin shoes, so that he should stop polluting the air, and also he should stop the filling the ground with the garbage. Okay, now let's continue the story. And now he has planters for hands. No more access to cut trees, but planters to plant more. Now slowly what they did, Joy and Millie, they slowly took out that axe like hands, and they slowly put these planters in his shoulder, so that wherever he go, he should plant the plants. Okay, and next step they did was, let us quickly shut his mouth with the tape while he is asleep. Then what they did means, when Pollution Demon was asleep, they took out this tape, and what they did means they shut his mouth with the tape while he was asleep. Then when the Pollution Demon woke up, he huffed, but not a puff of smoke came out. He pushed his hands about, but instead of cutting down trees, the hands planted more. No garbage came out of his feet because the bins took care of it. No noise came out of his mouth. He was so angry. So when Pollution Demon woke up, he noticed that he huffed. Huffed means what? He took out the air from his mouth, but he was unable to do that just because Millie has shut his mouth with the tape. And then he tried to cut down the trees, but he was unable to do that. Why? Because they had put the planters into his shoulders, and also there was no garbage coming out of his feet. Then he noticed that he is wearing the dustbin shoes. Then he was so angry. Then what he did, grrr, what is wrong with me? I can't pollute anymore. He was so angry that, and he said, what is this? I can't pollute. Pollute means I can't spoil anything anymore, he shouted. Then what happened? Soon the world around him turned greener and cleaner, and the magic touched the demon as well. He was happy too. Then slowly what happened? Soon the world around him turned greener and cleaner, just because he was unable to pollute or damage anything or spoil anything. And that magic means what, children? A special power. That special power touched the demon as well. Means he was very happy with that power, power, and he was very happy. He was also very much touched by that. It's always nice to care, not to let out dirty air. It's nice to plant a tree, not to cut it into three. It's nice to be so quiet, not to make a riot. What is the meaning of riot? R-I-O-T, riot means to make a loud noise. Loud noise is called as riot. So he said that, wow, it's nice, I can't pollute the air now. It's nice that we can't pollute the air. And he also said that it's nice to plant a tree rather cutting the tree. And he's also said that it's very good to be quiet rather than making the loud noise. He was very happy with all these things. Then what happened? He became a green soldier, and a real brave one too. Brave one too. Looking at the pictures, can you guess all that he did? Then what happened? That Pollution Demon was very happy with his behavior now. How? Means he became a green soldier. Green soldier means what he did, he started planting with his planters like hand, and he, whatever the garbage was coming out, he was filling it in the dustbin, isn't it? And the chimney, he wore the chimney cap, and he stopped making the air dirty. By all these things, he became a green soldier, and also he became also very brave. Look at the picture. The first picture is showing that the Pollution Demon removed all the waste from the water bodies, and what he did, he used his planters like hands to plant the trees, and he was stopping the pollution coming out of the vehicles, and also whatever the garbage came out, he was collecting in the dustbin and was throwing in the garbage bin. So by these he became a green soldier. So by these in this lesson you have learned that how we can save our planet, isn't it, children? How can we save our planet? By planting more trees, by not cutting down the trees, and also throwing the garbage in the garbage bins rather than throwing in the throwing on the land or in water bodies. So these are the steps you need to follow to save our planet from pollution. Okay, now let's continue. Millie shared her dream with joy the next day. They were so proud of what Green Soldier had done. The twins formed an eco club with their friends. They started off by making this poster called Save the Planet. Then what happened? It was all the dream that Millie saw, isn't it, the last night. Then soon after getting up, she shared her dream with the joy. And what happened? They were so proud of the Green Soldier. Whatever the Green Soldier had done, they were so proud of that. Who is a Green Soldier? The pollution demon. The pollution demon was bad. Now he became Green Soldier in her dream. Now the twins formed an eco club with their friends. What they did means, the twins Millie and Joy, what they did, they formed a club. What is the club name? Eco Club, with their friends. And what they did means, they started making this poster called the Save the Planet. Look at the poster and talk about the do's and don'ts. Now we have to talk what we should do and what we should not do. Okay, now let's check out. Smoke from cars and factory chimneys make the air dirty. So whatever the smoke means the dhua. Okay, whatever the smoke comes out from the chimney and from the vehicles, it will create the air pollution. It will make the air dirty, and if we breathe that air, it will be bad to our body. Okay, so how should we stop this? We should stop this by using the vehicles, by using the bicycle. If you need to travel the short distances, then you should walk on foot rather than using car or bike. Okay, and you should use the bicycle instead. The next is walk or ride the bicycle for short distances. Plant more trees, they help us keep the air clean. So what you have to do, you have to travel the short distances by using the bicycle, or you need to go on foot. Okay, and plant more trees so that the air you breathe will be clean. Okay, next is smoke from burning dry leaves makes the air dirty. So smoke from the burning the dry leaves. What will happen if you burn the dry leaves? Whatever the smoke comes out, it will also make the air dirty. So what you need to do means, you should dig a hole in the garden and put the dry leaves in it. Cover the hole with soil. Soon the leaves will spoil or rot to make the soil fertile or good for growing more plants. So how you can get rid of this means, how you can throw the waste means, you should dig a hole. Okay, like this. You should dig a hole, and whatever the dry leaves you are having, you should put it in that hole. Then what you need to do, you should cover that hole. After that, then what will happen? Soon the leaves will spoil and rot. Spoil or rot is meaning is same. Okay, and it will make the soil fertile. So fertile means it will be that soil will become good for planting, and by this you can get rid of the air pollution. The next is plastic bags pollute land and water. If you use the plastic bags, carry bags, and if you throw on the land, what will happen? It will make the land bad. Okay, then what you should do? Say no to plastic bags and use paper and cloth bags instead. So instead of using the plastic bags, what you have to do? You have to use the paper or cloth bags, so that our land or water bodies will not get polluted by using this carry bags. These plastic bags are very harmful for the land and also water. Okay, now loud noise is no fun. If you make a loud noise, what will happen? It will create the noise pollution. Then what you should do to get rid of that means, you should keep the volume low. Whatever you listen, whatever you do, you should keep the volume low. So these are the do's and don'ts. You should not do these things and you should do these things. Okay, now you came to know that, children, how can we save our planet? By using the bicycle for short distances, and whatever the waste you are having, like dry leaves, you should dig a hole and put it in that hole, and use paper bags instead of the plastic bags, and keep the volume low. By these safety measures, you will save the planet. Now I would like to end up my discussion, and this was the end of our lesson. We'll catch up in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.